everybody, welcome back and thank you for watching Cutting Up with Bae. This morning we're going to do a quick scrambled egg tutorial. Now what you see here is bacon grease. I just made some bacon. I actually baked it in the oven and I poured the grease into a nice clean pan. Those 2 little drops you just saw was some egg, just me making sure that my grease was hot enough to put the whole mixture inside. As you can see on the right side, it's some bubbling going on. You can see a little bubble in the middle. It's trying to slowly but surely bubble on the left side. Once I see that it's getting a little form to it, then I kind of move my eggs around. You'll notice that I won't be stabbing or poking the eggs or even scrambling them in the pan itself. I'm literally just gonna kind of move it around like an omelet at first, and then just pay attention, you'll see. Now, I must tell you guys, I used a little too much bacon grease. Unfortunately, I did not want to do the video again, so this is what I'm giving you guys. But for real, these eggs are the best eggs ever. You can put some salt on them, but I just usually throw a little pepper on there. And these eggs are perfect. They're fluffy. They come out great every single time. So I definitely want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I have shrimp Alfredo and pepper steak videos coming up next, but I will not be posting them till I get at least 50 likes on this video. Thanks again for watching. Peace out.